What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be going for a test drive in a 1973 Roadrunner. This is original 400 car. We're going to be taking it down the road looking for any kind of issues, checking it all out. This one does have power steering. It also has, let's see here, front disc brakes. Drum in the rear. I like to take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. Check us out at maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, all of our inventory. And yes, you can get financed. That's on our website, so go there, check that out. And we have shipping. We can ship these cars all over the country. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for daily content. Also, sharing these videos helps us out greatly. So if you don't mind, hit that share button. Let's hit the road, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior here, check everything out. Go ahead, place your bet. Do you think the horn works on this one? The dash is in great shape. Nice and clean. Get around the console, looks good. The seats are in great shape. It's all green in here. I think it looks pretty darn good. Headliner's a little bit stretched in the back corner. Go ahead, start her up. Starts right up. Radio's working in this one. Looks like our oil pressure gauge is up. See where the battery's charging. The temperature's still cold. And of course I cannot stand behind mileage because this is a 73 model. And try our AC. I can't tell that the AC compressor is cutting on. I do not believe it is. We're gonna go ahead and say the AC is not working on this one. It is blowing. The blower motor is blowing. Wipers. I hear them. Are they on there? They may not be on there. Yeah, they are. I think the hood's in the way here. Looks like they're stuck on the other side. Let me check that out real quick for you. Sure does look like they're stuck. Let me open the hood. So to open the hood on this one, go in here, pop this up. We'll look at these wipers real quick. So they're not hooked up. There's something turning in there, the motor is. I can hear it, but the wipers are gonna need work. So now that we know that, let's go ahead and check some other stuff here. We'll cut those off. All right. I guess all that's left is this horn. You ready? Oh man, it's up under here. Horn works. Let's take off down the road. Anything I see, I will let you know. I'm gonna take off down the road. I got a place I want to stop real quick. I told a guy I'd come by last night. Completely forgot. But anything I see, I'm gonna point out. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every car on the lot. And I'm also gonna do a walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws. So there's always 2 parts to each car. Make sure you watch both videos and you'll know everything about it. Need some WD-40. Turn signals are popping up on both sides of the dash there. And on the hood. speedo's coming up. Our temperature gauge is coming up. Car's going straight as an arrow. A little bit of slack in the steering. You see that? Turns there, turns there. Whoa. Kick down, it's rocking. Kick down's hooked up on this one. Feels pretty good. Let's slide on by his gate and see if he's here. I don't see him here right now, but he does got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna stop for a second. I'll add this to the end of the video. You wanna check this out. He's got some good stuff. We'll keep this test drive rocking. Here in a minute, I'm gonna be doing some outside shots and we're gonna be heading back to the lot as well. All right, pulling at a Newton's Motor Company. I want you to check that out. You can wait till the end of this video and watch a brief walk around of his car lot. He's got a lot more stuff, but he didn't have it all out because he's not there at the moment. I believe he is closed on Saturdays. A little bit of get up and go there. The ride is nice and smooth on this one. So is this guy going this way? He just likes driving over that line. All right, we're gonna pull in this parking lot over here, get these outside shots. All the stuff that I use to make these videos is below in the description, so check that out. One thing that I didn't add because I didn't get it on Amazon was a light for the undercarriage shots. I literally went to Walmart and bought a rechargeable, portable work light. It works great. So if you need that, it's like 70 bucks at Walmart. All right, guys, I'm gonna get some cool shots. I'm gonna do a walk around video. Let's have some fun with this. Squeaky pedal. All right. Well, that went well. The engine temperature is like right about a quarter way. I don't know how accurate that is, but it did come up some more since we've been circling the parking lot. The motor seems nice and cool. And all of our gauges are reading out, other than that one's I'm just not sure about. Almost, that's the first time I drug that light. It's pretty tough. Didn't really affect it at all. Couldn't get a good undercarriage shot because of that, but hey, I tried, guys. We got detailed pictures online of the undercarriages as well. They're pretty thorough. It's definitely a good cruiser. Just nice and smooth going down the road. You need that power. Seems to be there. You need to stop. Stopping pretty fast. That's not even me getting into the brakes. We're coming up on the road. It's got the speed bump in it. You will not notice it in this car. You can listen for rattles and shakes. There may be some squeaks somewhere, so we'll check that out. It's hit it at a pretty good speed. It's coming up right here. Pretty smooth. And we're right around the corner of the car lot right now. So we're gonna go back there, probably grab some lunch, hit the road again, and do 2 more test drives today of some new inventory. If everything goes as planned, I should have 10 videos pop up Monday. That's Monday alone, guys. I got the rest of the week to knock out the other 10 cars. Hey, look, they already got the convertible sitting out front for me, ready to go. Look at this tight squeeze they're making me do here. All right, I'll take it. I've been in tighter before. All right, guys, I do appreciate you riding along with us. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. And also, if you have any questions, visit maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, finance options, shipping options. I can get these cars shipped anywhere in the nation. There's also close to 2,000 videos here on YouTube, so check them out. You can see all of our previous inventory, current inventory, and we do update every Monday with new cars here. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button and help me out by sharing. Go ahead and thank you in advance. Y'all have a good day. All right, I know I got the silent thing going on, but I stole this from his TikTok. He wanted me to post his better cars that were in the storage that I didn't see out on his car lot. I went up there and walked around a second. It's called Newton Motor Company. So you want to look that up online, check it out. He's got a lot of stuff, a lot of cool, fun toys out for sale. This is a great little business right down the road from Maple Motors. We're all basically family up here in town. He's got some cool rides. Check out newtonmotorcompany.com if you want to see another car lot. It's got some good stuff. Figured I'd walk you around at the end of this video, let you check it out. I may do this for a couple videos. He's always got something cool. He's got some modern stuff as well. What's even better, he's also got toys in the shop. He had them all set out last night all the way around his building. I just completely forgot to come up here. May have to make another stop. But he also sells side-by-sides, Can-Ams, and four-wheelers. So be sure to check out NewtonMotorCompany.com. These things are practically new, in awesome condition. And talk about a beefed up four-wheeler, a 1000. Golly, some serious power under that one. All right, guys, when he lets me open his shop, he's got some really cool stuff inside that shop over there as well, and we're going to come back up here and check it out. He also partners up with BMS, Brian's Motorsports, right next to Maple Motors Customization Shop, to get the look you desire. All right, appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, check out the walk around video of this car. It points out all the other flaws. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And I'm gonna go ahead and head back, grab another car, and do another test drive. It's about that time.